Hey guys, if you want to look for jobs in Canada but you live outside this country, in this video I'm going to tell you 10 most effective ways to do so while living in your home countries. Stay tuned. Hello friends, this is Shitanshu. Welcome to my channel Dream Abroad. If you want to immigrate to Australia or Canada without paying hefty fee to the consultants, I've got tons of videos coming soon for you. Please subscribe. Alright, so some of you've asked me about the famous job portals, how to find and apply jobs in Canada from their home countries. So here's a list of top 10 most effective ways to do so. But before we begin, I want to point out that this list is not a rating and in no particular order. Okay, now let's start. The first one is Job Bank. Alright, so this is Job Bank. This is an online portal from Government of Canada. This is the link and I'll provide it in the description box below. You can look for desired jobs in this search engine here. So let's say if I want to search for mechanical engineering jobs, click on search. It will give you the mechanical engineering jobs available in different provinces, by different companies. It'll give you the list here. So it's a long list obviously. So you can sort it out from these filters over here. So this is Job Bank. The second could be workopolis.com. Next is indeed.ca. Fourth could be monster.ca. Let us quickly go through all the three websites first. This is workopolis.com. Let's say if you're a teacher, you can search for teaching jobs here. In a location, it can be Toronto, Vancouver, Ottawa, wherever you want to, and find the jobs. So you'll easily get a listing of the teacher jobs available in Toronto. So similarly, this is indeed.ca. You can also search for jobs just like that in Indeed as well, and Monster. So monster.ca is another website where there are many jobs available for Canadian permanent residents. Okay, social networking is nowadays one of the most important tools to find a job. And of course, for jobs, LinkedIn is the most important one amongst all social networking sites in US and Canada and across the world as well. Here are some of the most staggering statistics for jobs in LinkedIn. So you can always use LinkedIn to find jobs in Canada. Another very effective way of applying jobs is directly through organizations' career portals. You can list out the companies you want to work for and apply for jobs filling in your details in their online career portals. Yes, this is a time consuming job, but it is very effective. Another way is applying jobs through job consultants. Some consultants may charge and some won't. They can also give you the opportunity to work as a contractor for various organizations. Randstad and Hayes are amongst the top job consultants in Canada. There are many others available as well. Canada.ca can give you vital information on government jobs. This is a website run by Government of Canada. Some of the vital jobs involving national security can be reserved only for citizens, but still there are many other such jobs for permanent residents as well. Another important way to find jobs can be Canadian job fairs happening in cities around you in your country. Now you have to be a bit cautious to keep a check on it regularly. If you work for MNCs currently, those who have got offices and clients in Canada, you can also look for on-site opportunities or internal job openings within Canada. Companies get to fill urgent requirements, saving the risk and time to apply work permit if you have got permanent residency. If you've got PR, companies also save the money to apply work permit, so preference is given to PR holders. Right, so this was the top 10 ways to finding jobs in Canada while living in your home country. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I would also love to hear the feedback from you. Please like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.